Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with an unboxing video from Cherry Tree Beads. I haven't shopped there in a very long time, but they had a 40% off certain items sale, so I checked out what they had. Most of the stuff it wasn't that interesting to me, but I did find a couple gems, so I thought I would show you what I got. Everything came strung on this hook, which was pretty cool. All right, so let's jump in. These are some silver shells. Every time I get something that's silver plated, I typically think that I will end up painting it because most of the time the stuff will tarnish or the plating will rub off. I don't know how the quality of these, but I just really love the shell shape, and I'll probably make a mold out of this one because I like all the striations on it. So very cool, like those. These were like some ginkgo leaves. I got them in two colors. I got them in the silver and brass. I love these. I think I would use them on a necklace, like in a fan shape. Like they are fan shaped, but more like this. Wish it was like 7 so I could do a pair of earrings too. But you never know. Sorry about the glare. It's a little crazy, but I really like those. Again, I got them in brass as well. Got some wood pendants. Let's see. Black. Thought it was very, I could change this a lot or just keep it like it is and use it with just about anything in my stash. Very cool. Very neat shape. Did I get another shape like that? No, I thought I got 2 of that one, but I didn't. I did get 2 of this one. I got it in this black again and then a green. Oh, I did not realize that it's kind of domed. That's pretty cool. I thought it was going to be flat like this one, but I love that. I love that. It's geometric, pretty cool. Some cool lines. Love that you can hang something below it. You can always drill another hole in it. And here is the green. It's a nice green, nice like dark olive. Very fun. And then I got these really cool clasps. They're copper. And I think you could even inset some rhinestones into these. I probably wouldn't do that, but that's something you certainly could do. You could paint them, you could do whatever, but I just thought they were really cool. Pretty big too. So there's 3 sets of those. Then I got these brass findings. These are just so cool. I think I could also use them in that way that I was explaining with the ginkgo fans. Do a big statement necklace like this and have other beads hanging in between or something. I don't know. I just really like them. I thought they were really cool. Works with a lot of the stuff I have in my stash. So I thought those were pretty neat. And then I got this strand of lava starfishes or lava stars. I guess it could just be stars, but I think they look like starfish. Pretty cool. Love this color. I got this strand of large hole composite beads. Just really like how colorful they are, and you can use that with leather. I got these. These did look a little bit better on the site than they do in person. They're little brass strawberries, but I can always paint them. They're also large hole, very large hole. I got these like copper metal beads. They look like little suns or faces or something. I just thought they were pretty cute. And then I got 2 strands of these, and I love how big they are. I just love these big yellow beads because they're very tribal looking. They kind of remind me of copal resin, but at a better price. But anyway, just love them. I've always loved big yellow beads. I used to use them a lot when I sold jewelry too, so don't know what it is about that, but I love it. My favorite thing in this, I think, would be these and these, and the big yellow beads and the copper beads. I think those are my 4 favorite things. So let me know what you think. Have you shopped with Cherry Tree Beads in a while? Check out, I'll link them in the description below if you're interested. Let me know what you think. What's your favorite thing? Have a good day. Bye-bye.